Welcome to Part 2 of Common Dog Health Issues. Let's talk about skin, nutrition, care, and diseases that can affect you too. Skin problems like mange and hot spots cause itching and irritation. Regular grooming and flea control can keep your dog's coat healthy. Overfeeding leads to obesity, while poor diets cause malnutrition. Feed balanced meals and avoid too many treats for a happy, active dog. Common issues like hip dysplasia and arthritis require proper care, especially in large or aging dogs. Provide comfortable spaces and consult your vet for supplements. Some diseases, like rabies and ringworm, can spread to humans. Keep your dog vaccinated and practice good hygiene for your family's safety. Healthy dogs make happy families. Share this video to raise awareness. Subscribe to our channel for detailed videos about each of these groups. Let's keep our dogs happy and healthy together.